What's up, everyone? This is a fun project. I really wanted to create something that was a little bit more interactive rather than just something that you would crank. So I decided to create this. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put this thing together. So let's get right into it. I'm Jay. This is JBV Creative. Let's create. Step one is to grab your spine piece, and that will press into the base, just in the top here. Push it all the way down. Once your spine is in the base and pushed all the way down, grab your slider piece, and that slides on with this loop facing the front of the base. Next, grab your connector with this shaft coming out of it. Those go into the holes in the front of the spine, and you can C-clamp those into place. Repeat for the other three. Now you can grab these arm links, and they go into these holes with the arm link part facing inward. And then repeat for the other side. Now we can put our lever into place. So that just goes in the holes in the front of the base. Grab one of your pins, pop that through, and C-clamp that into place. You can now use your connectors to connect between the slider and the lever. Use your pins to hold that in place. Now throw the other side on, and then throw C-clamps to secure it. Lastly, we have to put our hands onto the ends of these links. They just pop on. Nothing to it. And that's it. Fun, easy, interactive. You can legitimately clap to a beat. There is a video showing the design process from start to finish of how I got to here from nothing. So if you're interested, the link is in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.